So let's do the power rule. So this expression, 5 squared to the third power, that means I have in parentheses 5 squared, which is 5 times 5, and I'm doing that 3 times. So 5 times 5, 5 times 5, 5 times 5. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5s, 5 to the 6th power. So let's see if we can't do that with 8s. Okay, this is going to take up a lot of room, so you might want to write small. So we have 8 to the 5th, 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, and we're doing that 4 times. 8 times 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 8. And then one more, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So now we get to count. How many total 8s do we have? So we have 8 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 8 to the 20th power. It's crazy. So let's do the same thing with x. Maybe you're starting to notice a pattern here. X times x times x. We're going to do that 4 times. X times x times x. X times x times x. And x times x times x. Okay, so we know in each of these parentheses there's 3 x's, right? And there's 4 sets of parentheses. So how many x's are there? 3 times 4 is 12. Maybe you noticed that. Maybe you saw 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 4 is 12. So there's a pattern here. So compare the first and third column. We did that, describe using words of relationship. So to simplify the expression, keep the base the same, and multiply the exponents. Maybe you saw that already. Okay. So when you have a power to a power, or 2 exponents right next to each other, separated by parentheses, you multiply them. So like this one, a to the m to the nth power, I'm going to multiply m times n. I'm going to multiply those exponents. Okay, so let's continue this on the other side. The rule you discovered in the question on the previous page is called the power rule. Use it to simplify the questions below. So 7 to the 4th to the 9th power, I'm going to multiply 4 times 9. I'm going to keep 7 the same. So 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, and so there's that answer there. K to the 17th to the 2nd power, so I'm going to go k to the 17th times 2 equals k to the 34th power. Okay, so this is pretty simple stuff. W to the 100th to the 20th power, so I'm going to have w to the 100th times 20. Well, 100 times 20 is 2,000. Okay, so that is the power rule.